Hi, this is Adam Finn, and I'm back with another Wrestling Tools tutorial. This time we're going to talk about Twitter integration. Twitter integration is pretty awesome and pretty simple to configure. The way you do it is you specify the hashtag that you want to have shown up on the screen and you want people to tweet to. So you just entered, in my case I entered #D1Wrestle right here. So it shows up next to the Tweety bird in the lower right hand corner. So now people watching the broadcast know that if they want to have their tweets show up on the broadcast, they just tweet to that hashtag and they have a chance of being in there. Now, I don't want to just allow anything people tweet to that hashtag to show up on the broadcast, because you never know what you might get with some pretty crafty wrestling fans out there. So I want to moderate those tweets. So I've specified here in the configuration the name of a Twitter account that I'm going to use to moderate those tweets. And I'll show you how to moderate those here in just a little bit. And the last thing in the configuration settings you need to know about is whether you're going to have the multi-ticker enabled or not. If you're going to have the multi-ticker enabled, you probably want your tweets to show up above it rather than behind it. If you don't have the multi-ticker enabled, you probably want your tweets to be justified at the very bottom of the screen. In that case, just deselect multi-ticker, above multi-ticker, and you can kind of see that the top of the Tweety bird here has moved to the bottom of the screen behind the multi-ticker. We don't want to do that because we're using the multi-ticker, so we'll go ahead and keep that button checked. Now let me show you how to moderate the tweets to allow them into the broadcast. First, I'll slide this over here so you can see that a little bit better as I continue to work on Twitter. Now, in my Twitter account here, I've logged in as the account that I've specified as the moderator. And to make things easy to specify which tweets I want to retweet, I've just done a search on #D1Wrestle. So anything that people are tweeting for my broadcast or about my broadcast, I'll see in this list here, and new results will pop up as they are tweeted by people out there in the community. Now if I decide I want to tweet something and allow it into the broadcast, all I have to do is retweet it. So I just click the retweet on any tweet that I want to have appear in the broadcast and click retweet. Now the system's configured every 15 seconds or so to pull for new tweets that are approved for the broadcast. And when it finds them, it'll scroll them from behind the multi-ticker just like it is right now. And you can see that when it did that, it removed the tweet bird with the hashtag, and when it scrolls back away again, that tweet bird with the hashtag is going to reappear. Now it did that, it showed the tweet with the logo of the original tweeter as if the tweet came directly from them. It removes the retweet indication so people see it coming from the original tweeter, which I think is what we want. I think this is a great way to keep your viewers more involved in the actual broadcast and improve their viewership experience. So please give this one a try. And don't forget to come back and watch our next tutorial. Thank you for watching.